Miss Lisa, Mr. Robert. Happy New Year, New Year's Day 2012. It is a blowing here up in Fennville, Michigan. You can see the snow right here. I'm going to walk around and go around the front of the house, right like this. And you can see all the snow blowing. And here I am blowing in the snow. Hi, everybody. It's really, really pretty, though. Here we go. We're going to walk back into my woods. And, holy Toledo. Oh, it's so pretty here. I love a fresh snowfall. And I know you guys are down there in the in the sunshine, probably with all your windows open, laying by the pool. And here's Mr. Bradley out in the snow, but it's beautiful. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Okay, we're going to walk back through my little forest real quick and go out and look on the meadow. And holy moly, it's a blowing and a storming today. Hey there. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Taking this walk through. I love it back here. This is where my wild turkeys live. And so pretty. Look at this little pine forest of mine. Love it back here. Oh, it's so peaceful and pretty. Look at that. How about that? Isn't that beautiful? Is it pretty? Oh my goodness. I love it here, you guys. Can't wait for you guys to come visit me. And out in the field, in the meadow, walking out here. Look at that. So, nice, I think a New Year's snowfall is a nice significance of like purity and starting a fresh new year. So, here you go. Happy New Year, everybody. Happy 2012, and I hope it's a better one than 2011 was. So, there you go. Okay. Happy New Year. Well, let's take you back this way, back toward the house. We'll do one more quick walk, and then I'm going inside, because it's cold. It is cold, cold, cold. And look at this. I love this little tree right here. Isn't that a cute little tree? Oh my goodness, it's coming down. Yeah, big old snowflakes. Getting dark too. Okay, coming back toward the house. Through the woods. And you know what, maybe I'll bring you back around to the front of the house. Into the barn. Go back around. And holy moly! I'm crazy. I am a crazy. Whoa! Woo! 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 Holy moly! Coming back around the house. Okay. This is going to be the longest video I ever took, and the coldest one too. Okay. Can bring you back around the front here and the side, and there we go. Snowing, 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 snowing. There we go. Okay, the Michigan snowstorm. There you go. Good night, everybody. I'm going in. Can't take it anymore. Happy New Year. Longest video I ever made in my life. Okay, bye, you guys. Cheers.